Hello friends, welcome to Tutorial Arrays, and in this video you are learning TypeScript. In this section we are going to discuss about understanding arrays in TypeScript. Array is one of the very important chapter in any programming language, so TypeScript is not an exception, of course. So in this one also we will know about TypeScript and we will know about this arrays, so that you can do complex programming. So guys, let's see this chapter and try to understand that what is array and how this works. So what is an array? Array is a collection of elements that share a common name. Remember, so far you have learned about variable. What variable does? A single value is held by variable, okay, but this array actually is collection of various variables. Means we can say the array is variable of variables, okay. And second point is variable, this array always have index, and index always start from 0. So these are the features of array. Syntax for declaring an array. What do we do? These are the syntax. For example, where colors string, here you can see square bracket. That means what? We have just declared the array, and now you can put the value like this, square bracket, you can see like this. So this is the example of declaring array. And here red, blue, green, these are value, but there is index hiddenly inside that, where 0, 1, 2, 3. So hiddenly there is index also. And similarly you can declare the value something like this also. Now if you want to access element, for example, if you want to see the value of red, then what you will have to do? You will have to write here index. Why? Because each element 0, 1, 2 and 3, these are index. So this way you can access one by one. But if you want to access all together, in that case what you will have to do, you can write here loop. For example, loop I equal to 0, colors dot length, like this. So one by one, rather than one by one, you can show through loop. Similarly you can show through off also, let color off colors. You will see in most of the cases in Angular we will be using this kind of loop only, because as you can see there is much difference. You have to write more code in this. In this one you have to write less code. Now array as an object, using numeric data in constructor. This is called constructor array. Why? Because we write here new, so we can declare the array using constructor array also. So this way you can see we have declared here empty array. Now what we are doing here, we are multiplying I into 2 each time, and it is going inside there, and the output will be something like this. Similarly you can declare the array like this. So one method was square bracket and another method is new array. So whatever convenient you are, you can declare with any one of these, but square bracket method is more convenient as compared to this one. Now with the same method you can display the value here. The output will be showing something like this. Now array methods. There are different methods through which you can concatenate. What does it do? It combines two arrays. If you want to join two array, then what is the method? So this is the method. We are writing here alpha dot concat numeric. So now you can see it will merge together all, and it will show all together. With filter we can filter certain value. For example, function is big enough, then return element greater than or equal to 10. So what it will do, it will filter here and check what are the value which are greater than 10. So you can see it is displaying 12, 1 and 44. So using filter method, means for each. So for each is just like for loop, and executes provided condition once for each element. 7, 8, 9. You can see, you can write num dot for each, then this one num dot for each, then function, this is called callback function, value, then value each time it will run something like that. Index of returns the first index of an element or -1 if not found. For example, we want to know index of 8. What is the index of 8? So you can see here output it says 2. Why? Because the index of it is 0 like this, 0, 1 and 2. That's why it is showing the index of certain value. Join, you can join here like this, for example first, second, third, and now array1 join here first, second, third, something like this. And now what we'll do, we want to it comma separated, so now the value will be like this, output like this. Basically it converts from array to string, it converts from array to string, and using map creates a new array with the results of the calling provided function into the event. It creates a new array based on this. For example 1, 2, 3, 4, we have now numbers dot map, and then function, what it is doing, it is multiplying each number with 2 and doubling, and now finally it will give a new array. Pop, it removes the last element, for example red, green, blue, pop, then you can see this one green is taken out, and finally the red one and blue will show. Push, you can insert one or more elements end of an array and returns the new array. For example, once again we are pushing here green, which had removed green, so now green will come into this. Reduce, it will add 1 by 1 by 1 by, for example 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So whenever using reduce method, you can add the number, means the previous number. Reverse, as net suggests, you can reverse the array. Now here is array destructuring. Now see this example. In this array, what we have written here, 200, 400 and 600. Now element means index of 200 is 0, 1 and 2. Now what we want to give a certain name, not 0, 1, 2. So what we are doing here actually, A, B, C, and then the whole 3 list we are assigning here. So what it will do, it will automatically come something like this. This will be assigned to here, this will be assigned to B, this will be assigned to C. So finally when we will try to open A, then it will show 200. When we will try to open B, it will show. So rather than 0, 1, 2, now we can access through 1, A, B, C. This is called array destructuring. Array looping with for in, we have already seen that how we can, using in, you can access the index. Here you can see, let I in list, something like this, and off, if you use off, then it will show you the value. So guys, that's it in this one, for in, the how to traverse and using for in loop like this. So guys, hope you like this video, so you do practice and you learn more, and in the next chapter once again we will meet. So if you have any question queries, don't forget to write in the comment box, and of course if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and also you like this video if you really like this. So stay connected, meet you in the next chapter. Bye bye.